people. I hope you all are doing good. So my name is Sheikh Wasi and welcome back to the fourth video of my life learning series, which is called Let's Grow Legendary. So as part of today's discussion, we are going to discuss about how to find your purpose of your life by Jay Shetty. So let's get started. So we all know about Jay Shetty. I saw his wisdom content about almost in each and every social media platform. So he's that much famous. And did you know about his early career? So he's not grown up that much spiritual kid or that much a good kid. He's grown up like a rebel, and he's trying multiple things. Like he's trying different things. Like he always chase thrill, but his life completely changed after meeting and saw a seminar of a monk. Like he's completely astonished by seeing that monk, and he's completely blown his mind. Like how they do that, like how they are so calm and cool, and helping society selflessly. So finally he decided to becoming a monk, and he's completed his 2 years of monk training with 200 of monks, like the really elite monks. So after that he came back to the real world to apply all of those things which he's learned in monk training. So after that he worked for Accenture for developing their digital platforms, and again he worked for so many people for their personal brands. And he just love his work. He just love to do what he does. But after some time he realized that what he is doing is not really scalable. So in 2016 he came up with his own content creator platform, which nowadays we are experiencing. So he's really famous in about like almost in each and every social platform. And what is goal in his life, like he want to express all these educational values. You want to give that all these educational values in order in the form of entertainment, so that people didn't means do not change themselves to successful. Like what he believes in people, he believes in that, like people what they are, they don't need to change. So like we all know, like in nowadays, like we all spending so much time in Netflix and in other entertainment platform. But if I say to you, like uh, look, this is a self-help book, read this book, this will be really helpful for you, they said no, I didn't have that much time. So but if I like what is thought, like if I transform that book into a really entertainment content, so that people will spend less time and really like really consume that thing in the form of entertainment. So let's come to the topic, how to find purpose of your life by Jai Shetty. So to find your life, the purpose of your life, you need to go through three steps. First one is find a role model. Like he said, like we are not exposed to like unique role models, unique and different role models. Like we are customized in, like in India we are customized in three or four like career plans. Like if you are not in India, if you are not a doctor, if you are not a lawyer, if you are not engineer, if you are not a cricketer, so like you are basically you are a failure. So what he's trying to say is came out of that feeling that these are not these three or four career options you have in your life. Go explore as much as you can to find like different role models, different career plans. So after you find one unique, or like not, it is not bad to be a doctor or an engineer or an astronaut, but when you find a good role model that you want to be, so try to observe them closely. Like try to talk to them, like try to observe their lifestyle, what they are doing for their success. Like really brainstorm into their lifestyle, and try to connect over social media, try to talk to them. So really observe the process, what they are doing for their success. And after doing this, the third and final step is yes or no. Whether after all of these two things, the third and the final step is whether you want it or not, yes or no. Like we all want the results, like I want to be a billionaire, so I can spend time with billionaire. But whether I want to, I like whether you want to spend time, like whether you want to go through the journey, the struggle which they go through and reach to that success, that level. So if you really passionate about the journey, if you really want to spend time, like really want to struggle like them, then you can, then well and good. Otherwise you need to find a different way. So what he said, like observe your the people around you, like observe the circle around you. Like is this the war, is this the personality, is it the personality, or is this the career you want, is it the life you want in your life? Like fast forward yourself to 5 year from now, like 10 year or 20 years from now, and ask the question, like is that like which kind of life you want, which kind of personality, which kind of career you want after 10 year or 20 years. So like if I say like my thing, like in my surroundings, like there are so many doctors and engineers, like cricketer, and these things are there. Like if I really fast forward myself, like ask this question, like is this the career I want, is this the society I want to live? So in my career also, I'm a corporate employee, so I need to look forward for a people who is 20 year ahead of me. Like really ask the question, like is this the career I want, is it the place, is this the personality I want after 20 years? Is the answer is yes, then it is well and good. If the answer is no, you need to really find out the the different way. So um, so after that, like he explained how to find the true purpose of, like true passion of your life. So to find the true passion of your life, like he believe in like Gita, like in dharma. So which is after monk training, his life is really impacted by these spiritual things. And this Gita's dharma rule is equivalent to the ikigai principle of Japan. So what he says, like focus on four things, like what you love, what you are good at, and what worlds need, and how can I pay it for that. If you interconnect this four thing and try to find the interconnection of these four things, so you can really find the passion of your life. So if you are good at something and you try to learn those things and try to help the world through that thing, so you can really find a purpose and the passion behind that. So this is the first thing. And the second thing, he believes in Gandhi's rule. Like Gandhi said, lost yourself in the service of people so that you can find yourself. Like what is mean by saying this, like if you try to help people in different ways, so that so you can really figure out what are those things you are really good at in helping. So once you find that, you can learn those things, you can master that skill, and start helping people who need that. So in that way you can really find your passion. And he also explained the three E's of his life. Like first one is element, second one is environment, third one is energy. So element is like each and every person have an element in his life. Like if you ask Sachin Tendulkar to go out there and play football, you may not see the big and the tremendous career which he have in cricket. So what he trying to say is, do those things you are good at. And second one is environment. Like we all are comfortable in such like in a certain environment. So uh, like no one in the world like give you your comfortable environment to grow. You need to cultivate that environment around you. And like the take the example of the fish. Like if you really put out that that fish into what, like out of the water, and give them all the facilities of the world, he can't survive, like he died. So like some people like high pressure environment, some people like to do work in low pressure environment. So you need to cultivate those things around you. No one is going to serve that thing into you. And fourth, like the third one is like energy. Like if you are good at something, you need to pass that thing to the world, so that they will be helpful. So this video, like this video is a summary of a really beautiful like YouTube video, like YouTube channel, like the impact theory by Tom Bilyeu. So if you are really influenced by this video, you can go there and you can watch that whole video for brief information about these things. And if you really like this thoughts, you can really apply it to your life and implement those things in your life. Like these are the some applied and tested and trusted strategies from the world's biggest achiever, Jay Shetty. And so if you like it, so apply it to your life. And until then, so this is it for today. Until then, be legendary. Thank you.